A quick update. Cue the epic music. Okay, I am going to learn how to use Godot in a month. I will be sharing with you guys the progress in a new series I will be doing. It will focus more on pixel art, and I hope you guys will be interested in that because, well, I just hope you're interested, alright? This is what I have so far for my progress. I made the sprites last year, and for the grass, cliff, and dirt sprites, well, those came from a YouTube video tutorial that I slightly edited. Keyword is slightly. I've got the movement and collisions down, so for the near future, I'll be trying to work on NPCs you can talk to, dialogue boxes, portrait art for the characters, action mechanics, and so much more. I also wrote the short plot for this idea, which I might flesh out in the future, so if you're interested, please leave a comment and, well, enjoy the video. So ever since my classes became fully face-to-face, with me spending around 12 hours in campus per day, I decided to learn how to use Procreate. Please go easy on me guys because the art you are about to see are definitely not some of my better works. So for the first one, I decided to sketch something that ended up looking like this. And well, this is how I feel about it. Yeah. Now, for the second piece, a simple portrait art of Frieren. Also, sorry for the black bars, here you go. Now for the third one, this was made in a sprite, but it's still Frieren, so I decided to add it in. If you want to see the full video of me making this, links down in the description below. Now for the piece that took me so long to make. As you notice, there's still a lot of watch time, and you must be wondering, what the hell did this guy do? It took him this long? Must be good, right? Well, no, it's not good. This took me so long to make and it's the epitome of shining a turd. For some context, this took me way too long to make, mostly because I knew it was horrible but I still kept going on. You can see how it took me to get the perspective quote-unquote right. Let's go with this being passable then. Now for the coloring. I am not in the slightest happy with this piece. And well, that's okay, because this was definitely out of my comfort zone. And as an artist, yes, I'm an artist even though I'm bad, okay? We should all know when to put the pen down and just move on. Well, thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and please subscribe. I know this video was short, and I have bigger projects in mind in the future. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys out this cool Valorant edit.